I'm Barry Cohen, principal of AdLab Media Communications, LLC. With a 45-year career in marketing and media, I have seen advertising campaigns succeed or fail based on a company's ability to deliver on their promises to customers. Today, we will get insights on best practices from Pablo Payet, a customer experience expert. Pablo Payet, welcome. Some background on you. So, you are a customer experience strategy and operations leader with 10 years of experience in both B2B and B2C customer-facing roles and direct experience launching, managing, and scaling successful customer experience operations and global teams for hyper-growth international tech startups and e-commerce companies. You're also a published author in Sales and Marketing Management magazine. In addition, you are a trilingual speaker, English, French, and German. Partnering with Prince Leadership, a growth advisory company focused on helping middle market businesses grow, has brought added value to the market. Together, you have created the brand MyCustomerSolutions to empower every business with world-class customer experience, strategy, and operations.
Hi, Barry. It's good to see you. Thanks for the introduction.
You're most welcome. So, today we'll be talking about leveraging reporting systems and customer feedback as part of 5 indispensable customer experience practices for maximizing retention and profits. Let's dive right in. My first question for you, Pablo. Today, in the final edition of our 5 podcast series, we're exploring the critical aspects of gathering and utilizing customer feedback to enhance business performance. Can you start by explaining why diverse feedback channels are essential in today's digital landscape?
Absolutely. In today's digital world, customers provide feedback through various channels like surveys, online reviews, and social media. And each channel offers unique insights into customer perceptions and preferences, which are crucial for businesses to understand deeply.
All right, very good. So could you elaborate on how organizations can effectively gather customer feedback through diverse channels?
Companies rely on surveys to gather structured data and dive deep into customer interactions for qualitative insights, and also stay tuned into online reviews and social media for raw, unfiltered feedback. And by implementing robust feedback collection methods, they ensure they capture every valuable insight without missing a bit. Have a look at Netflix. They really dig into customer feedback using a range of methods like NPS, CSAT, and CES surveys. And these help them understand how we feel about their content, recommendations, and app interface. And they also gather insights from small focus groups, whether in-person or virtual, to get a first-hand understanding of what we like and how they can improve. Ultimately, these surveys give Netflix valuable insights into our viewing habits, preferences, and whether we'd be willing to pay more for additional streaming content. So it's all about making sure they're delivering the best possible experience based on what we, as customers, really want.
Excellent. So once collected, how should businesses analyze and report on customer feedback to drive improvement?
We really dig into customer feedback to spot recurring themes and understand what customers are feeling. Our reports should blend hard numbers with the insights we gather to give us clear ideas on how to improve the customer experience and keep getting better.
All right. Well, with that said, how does cross-department collaboration contribute to improving the customer experience based on your experience?
Working across departments, I think customer service, marketing, and operations, that's just very important, right? So it lets organizations see the big picture of the customer journey and tackle issues systematically. And this unified approach really helps deliver outstanding customer experiences. I can name one example. Ford, they've really nailed down the teamwork approach to customer feedback. They make sure everyone from engineering to customer service talks about what customers are saying. And this helps them improve their cars, make us happier with their service, and handle our issues faster and better. It's all about working together, right, to listen and keep improving.
All right. Well, lastly, why is it important to produce comprehensive reports for senior management, and how do these reports impact customer experience strategy?
Senior management depends on these reports to gain a deep understanding of customer experience performance. And with these reports, these reports encompass key metrics, competitive benchmarks, and actionable insights, which enables leaders to make informed decisions that drive customer experience excellence and also align with strategic objectives.
Pablo, how can our audience discover more about leveraging reporting systems and customer feedback to leverage exceptional customer experiences?
If you want to enhance your customer experience journey, you can begin with our free customer experience function index survey. Request your survey by contacting us through our website with the link available in the description. After completing the survey, reach out to us for a detailed evaluation of your customer experience or customer service team's performance across 5 different key areas. And then let's chat about where you're at now and how we can help you level up to world-class status. You'll also find our article on leveraging reporting systems and customer feedback linked below.